Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to add a equation in Google Sheets. Let's begin. Example, see this additions into example use A on and B on. A on plus sign B on. Press enter and again A1 plus sign A2. Press enter and see this subtractions. Apply the same process. A on minus sign B on, into press enter. That's it. Multiplications, divisions. Thanks for watching video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.